Hey guys, it's Ann and welcome back to my channel. So what is today's video, you might wonder? Whatever this is. Pretty Crafter did something really similar to this and actually went back and found her video on it, and she got hers from Walmart, but it's a different one, but mine was also from Walmart. So I was looking at the clearance section at Walmart and they had this for $3, which seemed like it was probably like a good deal and stuff, but then I saw that it originally was only $2 more than that. So this is a $4.97 craft. Not expecting the world out of it. Okay, so what it is, what I think it is like these little things you squish, these little squishy things, but you make them in water. I'll link Nerdy Crafter's video of doing this similar thing below, but yeah, so let's just open it and see what it is. So what it's called is Slimy Paint Transforms into 3D Squishy Pets. So it's some sort of a paint thing that when mixed with water, I don't think it's just water, it might be a specific mixture. It turns paint into a something. Yeah, now that I explained that, let's read the side of the box that explains it better. Paint, activate, play. Okay, no, it doesn't explain it better.
Just kidding.
It includes everything you need. So let's see, but I think it really will include everything you need, except for water.
Yeah, this stuff smells weird. That's okay. Alright.
We have a little container that comes with calcium chloride.
That's what I think. I think that's what you mix with water and you put your paint thingy in it.
Okay, so we got a donut with a little face. We got a strawberry with a little face. We got a pineapple with a little face. We got this taco.
With a little face.
I don't know about the taco. Okay, donut, cute. Pineapple, cute. Taco?
Okay. The instructions, important. Oh, I think it's a sticker on a plate, I think. And then some stickers. Those are really pretty cute. I don't know what are they for? Oh, they might be for to decorate this. Because that's called your aquarium.
Okay, and then a decent amount of paint thingies. Slimy paint. Okay. A bowl at least 6 inches wide.
6 inches wide. This isn't 6 inches wide, is it? It's not 6 inches wide. Okay. So it doesn't include everything. So what am I gonna put it in?
I need to find a bowl, but I don't think I want to use a bowl that I'm gonna use again.
You did it. Okay. Here's one little, I don't know, but this is the bottom of a water bottle gallon thingy. I didn't want to use a bowl that I'm gonna eat out of. And I have I don't know, so
You know. So I got that.
first, measure 1.5 cups of water.
I'm gonna say that's 1.5 cups of water.
Pour your bag of calcium chloride powder in the water and stir until it is fully dissolved. All right, so now we paint it.
Okay, let's see. Okay, what are these colors? Is this blue or is this black? I think there is no blue. Unless this is blue. It doesn't say names. Ugh, lame.
I think this is black.
You can't see anything. Alright. Okay, let's do it like this. This is kind of easy to use.
Okay, but when I put the other colors on, is it gonna like run everywhere? He's looking so cute. I guess we'll turn this way so you can see it. I want to add like something to it. Like I don't want it to just be like green, you know? I'm gonna add some yellow, like a little yellow stem up here. We'll fill that all the way up. Then I think we'll add some stripes. Ooh, that's cool.
Then I guess we just fill in this whole part with pink. That's cool. Oh, it like does run. What? This is gonna use all the pink. There's in the freaking example picture, the eyes all runny. Okay, that's cool. Hold the edge of the mold and carefully submerge the mold inside the coating solution without tilting. Shake the mold until the paint floats away from the mold.
Don't bend it, it says. Ooh, it's like separating.
Okay, shake and wiggle. So it floats. Wiggle till it floats. Okay. Okay, just don't touch it. Okay.
Okay. Can you see that? Okay, there's something there. Alright, let's do another one. Very interesting. But we're probably gonna run out of green. Here's some of what I did last time and squirt some yellow in there.
Look at that, that's so weird. Okay, look, he doesn't have a face anymore. Where does his face go? What's the point of making the molds with faces if there's no faces? Alright, and the leaf part is gone into the pineapple part. Oh, whatever. Alright, shake and wiggle. Oh, I don't want to pop the strawberry though. But I don't have a whole other bowl. At least I think it's like semi-working. Like it's like doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, I don't want to pop the strawberry. I don't want to pop my strawberry. Okay, shake and wiggle. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it looks like a fish. It looks like a fish. Oh, stay in there. It looks like a freaking fish. Oh, crap. I'm gonna make a fish. I'm gonna use that mold and make a freaking fish.
Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna use a lot of black down here. Because that seems like it'd be cool. Ah, it's making noises.
Yellow into the black. Ooh, sick. And stripes. Yellow and orange. Oh no, it like exploded. Oh gosh. You know what? It's just gonna be a rainbow mess.
and this was my attempt at a fourth one. Okay, then here are the little guys, like right now. So I'm gonna show you, and then I will come back and show you when it has been, it says 2 to 3 hours. So I'm gonna wait 2 to 3 hours and we'll see what they look like. Okay guys, here's what they look like when they are done. So I let them sit 2 to 3 hours and then I checked on them and they still seemed like a little bit squishy. Not anything like horribly squishy, but like I left them sit overnight and then now like I can't, like before I think I could have probably popped them, now I like can't. So you can see his little face. I would definitely recommend, if you make these, don't like do super detailed things. Like this kind of turned out like better, sort of, maybe. But I think like the detailed things, like that's kind of creepy. But it turned out pretty cool, and I think it's definitely 100% worth $3. So if you see this in Walmart, I'd say pick it up. So yeah, so that's my donut. And then I decorated, I put a couple of the stickers on. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and comment down below. So I hope you come back and watch other videos. So thank you so much for watching, and bye!